Hello everyone, welcome back to Who Mindly. Okay, so last week a client looked at me dead serious and goes, "Ma'am, should I stop my SIP?" And I paused because that one question is basically what half of India is quietly wondering right now. So let's actually talk about it. Let's rewind to March. Foreign investors were pulling money out of Indian stocks 3 months straight. Everyone was bracing for it. This is it, the crash is coming. It didn't come. You know why? Because while all that big money was walking out the door, regular people, you, me, everyone with a boring little SIP, just kept going. No panic, no headlines, and that quite boring consistency. It's now sitting at over 73 lakh crore rupees in Indian mutual funds, up to 12% in a single year. That's not luck. That's just showing up when nobody is watching. And here's the fun part. It's happening again. Literally this week. Foreign investors flipped and started buying. Indian investor booked a little profit. Think that twice. It sounds like chaos, right? It's not. It's just that the market doing what markets have always done. Breathe in, breathe out. That's the whole trick. Now, quietly in the background, oil prices are cooling down after the ceasefire, which means airlines, logistics, manufacturing, and the guys who have been bleeding cash for months finally get to exhale a little. Yeah, this quarter earnings might look a bit soft, but most people tracking this, they are betting on a real comeback in the second half, especially if the monsoon behaves. So coming back to my client, I didn't tell him what to do. I just asked him one thing. Did you start this SIP thinking about the next 2 weeks or the next 10 years? He laughed. He literally laughed. He's still investing today. And honestly, that's the whole point. 10 years from now, you won't even remember this dip. You will remember whether you stayed